are finally heading towards Jewel right now in Singapore, Changi Airport, and let's see what is there inside. I have been to Singapore, I don't know how many times, maybe 20 times, but this is the first time going to Jewel because I have 8 hours layover at Changi Airport, and so I have ample of time, of course. So most awaiting moment right there. That's the indoor waterfall, which is the world's largest. So let's go, let's see how it is. We cannot go beyond, though it's not too expensive. It's $8 per person to access the Canopy Bridge. This is just to see the Jewel from the different angle. I know it's not too much, but I didn't feel like going inside unnecessarily because we can see Jewel from different sides and different angles as well. So I didn't really feel like buying the ticket and get inside.
Let me give you some information on this Jewel. When you are watching this video, to get there, you have to clear the immigration. If you are an Indian and going to some other countries with a connecting flight via Singapore, you do not need a visa to clear the immigration. You can get a 96 hours visa waiver at Changi Airport if your next flight is within 96 hours from the time you land into Singapore. If your flights are on two separate itineraries, you might not be able to avail the visa waiver program. However, they sometimes make an exception if they see that you are a genuine traveler. Nothing is guaranteed though. It's way too easy though to apply for a visa to Singapore. I went to Ria Travel and Tours India Private Limited, located at Barakamba Road, Connaught Place, Delhi. They can't charge you extra money on top of their service fee. So it's highly recommended to go to one of the authorized agents. If I remember correctly, I paid 2,800 rupees approximately, which includes the agent service fee of rupees 300, and got the visa within just 2 business days. You don't even need to show a lot of money on your bank statement to get the visa to Singapore. Something around 80,000 rupees will be sufficient, I guess. But again, I'm not giving you any guarantee here whether your visa will be approved or not. It's a rare chance that they refuse your visa, but then also it's totally on the sole discretion of the Singapore High Commission. So once you are at the immigration desk, they will ask you where are you staying in Singapore. If you have a connecting flight within a few hours, of course, you won't stay in a hotel. Just tell them you have a connecting flight to XYZ destination like Bali, Bangkok, Sydney, wherever you are traveling to, and you are just visiting the Jewel. Nowadays, they also have started asking if you have been to China within a certain number of days, probably 14 days or something, because of the coronavirus. Be rest assured, the immigration officers at Changi Airport are the most welcoming officers. They are more friendly than you can think of. I have been to Singapore so many times as a tourist, and even so frequent, like twice within a month, and they never asked me why are you coming to Singapore that often. I know when we talk about immigration, we are always scared, aren't we? Even if we show to people that we are cool, trust me, these officers are super friendly unless you look suspicious. So now you cleared the immigration, you can go anywhere you want in Singapore, including Jewel. Make sure you come back on time to board your connecting flight though. It's actually a shopping complex within the Changi Airport, but not on the air side. They also have a baggage storage facility, which is not very expensive. It starts from $5, I guess, 5 Singaporean dollar. I may be wrong because I didn't keep mine and I checked the price online. If you think you have a heavy backpack or something you want to store somewhere safely before start enjoying everything Jewel has to offer, you have the option. Please watch my complete video so how you can see how Jewel looks like. Also, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. Put some comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be up to date with my latest videos on the different travel destinations around the world. Take care all of you. See you in my next video.